Alright guys, on today's video we're going to do some more mods to the Caprice Project Suspect. So, I have a small exhaust leak going on. I have headers on the way. But while I got headers, I had to figure we might as well get a cold air intake, try to get some fuel mileage. I have been doing, I'll put a lot of miles on. The C5 is currently in need of some maintenance. That's going to happen real soon. And so with that being said, we're going to do a quick install video. A cold air intake on the Chevy Caprice, as you can see right here, which is dirty. Forgive me, it's a daily driver. The last Caprice video, we saw that we did a muffler delete. Ryan at Hogan Muffler and Brake did that. Now we're going to do a cold air intake, try and get some, more fuel mileage out of this thing. And then we'll get the headers on once they get here. But anyway, so we're going to get right to it and get this cold air intake installed, guys. As you guys can see, this is a whole bunch of noise canceling going on here in the box there. We picked up a cold air intake off of Amazon, and let's go check that out. Spectra cold air intake. It apparently should bolt in pretty easy. The kit is for a G8, so we will be testing this theory today. According to the Facebook groups and some other things, get rid of some of the packaging here. It said that this should pretty much be a plug and play. Nice big air filter. But we're gonna get some tools out and then we will get back on this. Alright guys, so I packaged pretty much all the parts that were packaged up. We got the hose clamps here, all the silicone couplers there, for the big one for the filter there. It says we're gonna need a T25, a 10mm with a extension, so I got a deep socket there, 10mm wrench. And it says you need a 5/16 inch nut driver, which I just got the socket driver. It would be just as good. I don't know what my nut driver is currently. As far as packaging goes, I'm quite satisfied. I mean, it's the piping, nice and clean. They actually cap the ends. But let's go take the existing off. A lot of people run that really expensive one up here. So we're doing this because eventually this car will be getting an LSA blower and a cam. The exhaust leak is down there by the caps. The headers are on the way from Amazon as well. They're cheap headers. This is just a cheap budget build, guys. We have the Corvettes to be actual race cars. I'm trying to see if this thing picks up any more fuel economy as well. So we got rid of all the stock air box there. Got the new intake there, actual cold air. Hood shuts. All right, guys, that's your install video on a cold air intake into a Caprice. I bought this off Amazon for a Pontiac G8. It bolted up pretty much real easy, actually. I mean, it literally bolted right in, as you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe button right here. And we'll probably throw the video, probably the subscribe button right. Sorry guys, it's weird doing this thing anymore. Different camera now. Probably the subscribe button right here. Video right in this area. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.